Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jack here. Now today it's kind of a weird video, but I thought it'd be a good video to put out to you guys because this scenario only happened in like the last 24 hours. I thought it'd be a good video for a bit of motivation for you guys and give you guys some validation that this Amazon stuff really does work. Now before I get into this video, if you guys don't know what's going on, basically I had a product which I'll show you guys that I posted just as an example for the course that I'm doing at the moment, and it's a coffee plunger, and I only did it just as a example that I was using in my videos, just in the product researches and whatnot. I'll show you guys what the product is, but the funny thing that happened is that I accidentally left the page, the product active, and it's not a very good listing at all. I'll show you guys. But guys, I sold a couple of them. I'm pretty sure I sold 2 of them. This guy had purchased 2 of them. And it just goes to show if you've got the right product there, like I wasn't trying to sell this product at all. I just accidentally left it active, and I sold the product. Like this guy went out and bought 2 of them. I have no idea how he found it because I wasn't trying to market the product at all. I was literally using it as an example. But guys, it just goes to show you if you have the right product, it will sell. I wasn't trying to sell it at all, but the downside to that is that I don't have any to sell him because it was just an example, so I don't have any sent to Amazon, so I'm gonna have to unfortunately cancel the order. But before I cancel the order, I'll show you guys that this stuff is real, and I'll show you guys that, you know, it all comes down to the product selection. If it's a product that's gonna help people, if it's a product that people want, then they will buy it. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I'll jump into my computer. I'll show you guys just how crazy this is. Like I was saying before, yeah, I ended up selling 2 of these products. Now I'll put up a screenshot. This is the email I got yesterday. It said something along the lines of, "Congratulations, you've sold 2 products on Amazon. Get ready to ship." And I thought, hang on a second, because this is from the account that I use as a dummy. As you can see, my balance here, this is not what your balance will look like if you start selling on Amazon. This is on the Aussie market, by the way, if you guys didn't know. Sorry about the hair. I need to get a haircut as well. Oh, I feel like I'm saying this every single video. It's like, sorry about my hair, sorry about my beard. Oh my god. You should just know, this is who I am now, if you guys have been watching for a while. But yeah, like basically I got this email and I thought, that's kind of weird. So I went on this morning onto the account, and yep, guys, I thought like this might have been like a scam email, but I went on just to double check as well. But yeah, it was yesterday. It wasn't today. It was yesterday that I ended up selling them, and I'm like, look, okay, I actually sold these, and I knew which one it was because I only really had 1 active listing that I was using as a dummy for the course, like I was saying earlier in this video. So I'll just go to the unshipped orders. Now, like I was saying before, unfortunately I can't ship this because I don't have anything to ship because it was used as a dummy product. Okay, there we go. So I might have to block some of this out. But guys, you can go and check, and I'll show you the listing as well. So I'm going to blank out the name here. But it says I sold 2 of them. I think here he bought 2 of them. Item subtotal says it's $30 now, but it says I sold all up. I think it was like $50 or $60. I think that's each, so it's $30 each. So it came out to about $60. Now I'll show you guys just how horrendous this listing is, because like I said again, I was using it for examples in the course. But this guys, this goes to show, if you've got the right product, how easy it is to sell. I was not focusing on this product whatsoever. I forgot that it was active. So this is how. So I just named it. Now in the course, I named my brand name Coffee Hero. I wasn't going for this at all. I don't have any products on there, so like apart from this. So like there's nothing to really stalk and look at this account. But I just put up, you know, an example product. I got this image from Google. And I'm not saying for you guys to do that to get it from Google. I tell you guys how to do it in the course properly, because you don't want to have a copyrighted image. But this is just for purposes of showing that it was on a white background, and this is just an example of the kind of listing you could use. I don't even think I have. I don't even have any like a proper, like I don't have any reviews. I don't have a proper description or anything like that. I have 1 image, which is a terrible image as well. It's not like the color's no different. It's just a standard coffee plunger. which was it was absolutely amazing in my opinion. And this guy must have liked the price maybe that I set it at, because they're $29.99 each. But guys, this just goes to show, if you've got the right product. I know I keep saying it, but it really comes down to your product. It's the product that is the key item. You know, it's the key variable to whether you're going to sell well or not. It doesn't matter how bad your marketing is or how good your marketing is. If it's a good product, it will sell. And this here, I haven't marketed it at all. I don't even know what page it showed up on. I haven't checked. But obviously, this guy liked the look of it, so he bought 2 of them. And that just goes to show, guys. And if you do want to learn more about this, I wasn't doing this video just to plug the course, but guys, this is just going to show that the info that's in the course really does help. And it's just solidifying, in my opinion, this kind of thing, where I listed a product, I forgot it was active. It's not even at the warehouse at all. It's just a product that I listed up. It hasn't got FBA on it or anything like that. It's not a fulfillment by Amazon product, but he liked the look of it, so he bought it. If I was doing like retail arbitrage and I listed a product like this and he ended up buying it, then yeah, I could ship it to him. But unfortunately, I'm going to have to cancel this order, and yeah, I won't be able to sell it to him, unfortunately, which is the downside to it. But look, guys, I might even check out this product and look more into selling it. And if you want to as well, go ahead and be my guest, because apparently these kinds of products work really well. And I was using this product as an example because it's a product that people use every day. It's a useful product that people want, and it will fulfill a need. People want coffee plungers because obviously there's a lot of coffee drinkers around. But if I was to sell a product like this, I would go a different color. I would maybe even do a different design. I would maybe even add something to it. Maybe even something else to do with coffee, whether that's like a coffee compressor or whether that's a coffee clip for the bag or something like this. I've seen other people sell. I'll just show you guys as well. I'll go into all departments and I'll just type in coffee plunger, and we'll see what else comes up. So we've got different designs. See, I like ones like this, and it's like a copper kind of design. So we've got plunger copper, and I think this is one of the best sellers as well. They've only got 2 left in stock, so that's probably why their price is so high. They're just trying to keep in stock. But all of these are silver as well. And like I was saying before, I have no idea how this guy found mine. There's 20 pages worth, but it just goes to show, guys, like this is, it all comes down to the product. So I'm going to leave you guys with that. Before I head off, if you guys want to learn more, if you guys want to learn about, how I do my product research and how I find products, I do have free videos on this channel which you can check out. But if you do want to learn more, if you want the sort of step-by-step plan, go and check out the link to the Ecom Excellence course. It's going to be the first link down below, and we're on the road to 200 students at the moment. So currently we've got about 130 in the course, and we're trying to get all those students into the private Facebook group as well, just for students as well. And we do things like live streams. We're doing weekly product drops now, where I find a product that I think is a good opportunity. I'll put it weekly into the group, and the group's there just to help each other out as well. And students can message me directly as well. And we are slowly, now that PPC, Amazon PPC advertisement, has hit the Aussie market. If you guys didn't know, this was on the Aussie market as well. This isn't on the US market, this is on the Aussie market, and I sold 2 of them. So it just goes to show that the Aussie market does work. Now that PPC is out, the opportunity, it's at an all-time high. And now that the market is growing, we're starting to get students with slowly getting more and more results. I can feel another Albas coming. If you guys don't know who Albas is, go and check out that interview as well. But I feel another Albas coming because I'm slowly getting more messages from students saying that they're slowly getting more sales, and it's starting to grow. PPC is showing them results. And guys, we're going to have more people enter this 10K club as well, and I'm very, very excited. So if you are interested in that, check out the first link down below. But apart from that, guys, I'm going to head off with that. Hope you guys are killing it. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments down below, or even get in contact on my Facebook and send me a message. Any questions that you have, I'm happy to help. But apart from that, guys, hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in the next one.